In this piano tutorial, I want to share my approach to the song Happy by Tasha Cobbs, and I actually posted a clip to this song on my Instagram, so you can go ahead and check that out. And also a quick reminder, I have a piano course available where I teach 11 gospel jazz progressions in every single key, right? So if you want more information on that, it's in the first link in the description box. So this song is in the key of G major. And let's start off with the basic chords, and then I'll get into those passing chords or chord substitutions or reharmonizations. Okay, so we start on the 1. You make me happy, very simple progression. Then the 6, you make me whole. Then a 4, you take the pain away. 6, 5, 4, very simple progression, just 4 chords. You make me happy. And then it gets into the chorus. But let's start off with this first half of the song, or the first verse of the song. What I like to do, like always, is add different extensions to the chords that we have, right? So start off on the 1. I'm actually going to voice it as a G major 9-13 chord, okay? You make me happy. Now the next logical chord would be a 6, right? That's the chord in the song. You make me whole. But instead of playing a 6, what I do is use a passing chord that leads me to the 4. So I'm going to substitute the 6 for a 4. And it sounds something like this. You make me happy. You make me whole. And then we go to the 6, okay? So the 1, then a passing chord on C sharp. This is basically just a tritone substitution for the 1, right? Which is G. So we're technically, you can think about it as a passing chord from the 1 to the 4, right? So let's say we play the 1 as a dominant chord, right? So you make me happy, right? Passing chord and then the 4. But instead of playing a G, we play a C sharp, right? As a tritone substitution. So this is the voicing that we use right here, C sharp 9, sharp 11, and then we get to the 4, which is a C major 13 right here. Then from here, we finally arrive on the original chord of a 6, which I voice as an E minor 11. And this is simply just a G major 7 over E, right? That gives us that sound. If you add the 9th, that gives us the 11th, right? That A. So from here, instead of going to the original chord or the original 4, right, which would be the next chord, we actually substitute the 4 for a 2, right? Those are common substitutions that you encounter throughout music, right? We substituted so far the 6 for a 4. And if you actually pay attention, this 6 right here is actually included in the 4. So that's why it mostly works. Same for the 4 being substituted by the 2. This 4 is embedded within the 2 chord. So that's why it works. So from the 6, we're actually going to go to the 2, but we're going to play this passing chord right here, which is an E7, sharp 9, sharp 5, or just an E7 under a C major. And then we play a minor 11 voicing for this A, right, for the 2. So altogether up to this point, you make me happy, you make me whole, you take the pain away. Now from here, all we do is play a 1 over 3. So you take the pain away. Then a 4, I'm so in love with you. And then a 6, 7, 1 to get back to the 1. So 6, 7, and then we're back to the 1. So all together up to this point, you make me happy, you make me whole, you take the pain away, I'm so in love with you. And then we're back to the 1. You make me happy. And we're actually going to switch it up again in the second half of the first verse. So we're here on the 1. We're playing a G major 9 in this case, as opposed to this G major 13. Okay, so we're playing this G major 9. And then we're going to go to the 6 this time, but we're going to use another passing chord. And usually when we play a passing chord that leads us to the 6, it's the 3, right? So it would basically be something like this. You make me happy, right? A passing chord to the 6, or you make me happy, you make me whole. But in this case, we're going to do another tritone substitution. So instead of playing the 3, we're going to play the tritone away, which is an F or a flat 7. And we're going to voice it in this way. Right? An F9 or a dominant F, right? F dominant sharp 11, okay? So, you make me happy. And then we're going to the 6, but instead of just staying on the 6, which is an E minor 11, we're actually going to play with the rhythm of the melody and basically create a whole set of passing chords that will lead us to the 4, which is the next chord. So it's you make me happy, you make me whole. Right, so what did I do there? I started off on the 6, E minor 11, then I'm going down chromatically. So E goes down to E flat, and a trick that I do here, right, is in this specific voicing, all I do is move the D and the F sharp down a half step for this E flat, which gives me, so E minor 11, then E flat 9 sharp 11. And then we basically do the same voicing that we did for E minor 11, but we do it on D minor 11, okay? So we do the same pattern, we just bring it down, do the same thing. We take the C and E, bring it down a half step, and this D goes down a half step to C sharp. And then we land on the 4, okay? So you make me whole. And the good thing about these voicings is that they're almost matching the melody of the song, right? It actually goes, you make me whole, right? You make me whole. And we're playing, you make me whole, right? And then we go to the 4 chord. So you take the pain away. And we just play a 4, take the pain to a 6, and then we play a 2, 3. So 2 is voiced as an A minor 7, then a 3, which is a 1 over 3, and then we play the suspended chord on the 5, this D9 sus4, which is actually one of my favorite chords. Because of it's not really set as either a minor or major chord, right? This could be a major or a minor chord, and I like the way that sounds. And it's basically just a C major add 2 over this D sus4, right? So it's a 4 over a 5. So I'm so in love with you. And then we get into the chorus of the song, which goes, everything about, so right? And the basic chords to this section of the song is everything about 1, 4, then a 5, then a 6, your love saved my life, then a 4, and then we go back to the 5. 4, 5, 6, 4, and then it ends. It ends very similar to the first verse. I belong, and then back to the 1. All right. So what can we do to this chorus of the song? So the way that I begin it is, Everything about you. I just play the melody of the chorus, and then I use this chord right here, which is a G major 9 over B, right? I like thinking about it almost as a D major or a 5 over a 1, right? A G major 7. I'm just voicing it in this way, right? So then we go to the 4, which is a C major 13. And I'm actually going to add a bunch of different chords, so I think it's probably best if I demonstrate it first. So okay, so that's that first half. So what did I do here? I started off with the melody, like I said. We went to the 4, and then we used a 6-2 progression to get to the 2. So I did this melody to get to the 6, and then we played a 2, which is an A minor 9. So everything about you, 6, 2, then a passing chord on the 3, which we actually used before, right? We use the same voicing on this 6, right? We're doing it now on the 3. So so we play the 3 to the 6, which we voice as an E minor 11, and you can also include that grace note right there from E to F sharp. And then we simply bring this same exact passing chord and resolution up a whole step. So we do it on this chord right here, which is C sharp. So instead of doing it on B, we do it on C sharp, and then we resolve it to the F sharp minor 11, right? And this is sort of out of the G major scale, but the melody is still conforming to these chords, or the chords are conforming to the melody. So da, 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 da. Your love say your life, your life. So da, 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 da. Your life saved my life. Right? Save my life. So that's why these chords work right here. And this exact progression right here, where we go from the 3 to the 6, then up a whole steps, is actually in a previous video of mine, right? Where you can learn this whole progression, which includes this section right here. But I digress, okay? So we had the 3 to the 6, then the flat 5 to the 7, right? Then from here, I want to get back into the G major scale. So what I do is play this passing chord right here on the 1, which is a G 9 13, takes us back to the C, right? This is the 5, this is the 1, okay? So da 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 da. Your love saved my life. Right? So and then the chorus basically repeats again, and we're going to change some of the chords, not all of them, right? We're going to play everything about you, right? I love this chord right here, right? This voicing specifically too, right? It's an A major 9 over C sharp. In this case, we're reharmonizing, right? We're not playing. This would technically be a 1 chord, but we're still maintaining the melody and playing this different voicing, okay? So right, so we still keep this same voicing from before, which is actually the same voicing, right? And then we land on the 4. Da, 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 da. here we can basically just switch up some of the voicings for the chords that we already have, or the original chords, right? So 5 diminished, right? Passing chord to get to the 6. Your life saved my life. And right? We do the same. 2, 3, 4. I belong. And we're back to the 1. And then we're back to the verse. Okay, so let's leave this lesson up to here. Hopefully you're able to gain some new perspectives or new knowledge on these different types of chords. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And again, quick reminder, I have a piano course available, and you can find all the information in the first link in the description box.